Hello to all students. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss energy drinks. Energy drinks are very commonly used by different age groups, even children, teenagers, adults, male and female, all are commonly using. So many kinds of energy drinks are available in the market. Energy drinks are specialized drinks which contain certain stimulants, especially of caffeine. So an energy drink is a drink which is contain stimulant, which is usually caffeine. So what is a stimulant? Stimulant is a chemical substance which usually stimulate your physical or mental abilities by raising blood pressure and raising energy level in your body. So first of all, we are going to look at the chemical composition and chemistry of a general energy drink. Usually energy drinks contain different types of chemicals in it. So I am giving the composition of 8 fluid ounce or 240 ml of a energy drink. Usually they contain 100 to 200 calories. Sugars which are present in the form of glucose, fructose or corn syrup, which are the forms of added sugars. There are 27 to 35 gram of sugars are present in each energy drink. Riboflavin, which is vitamin B2, 1.7 milligram. Niacin, which is vitamin B3, 20 milligram. Vitamin B6, which is 2 milligram. Vitamin B12, 6 microgram. So these are the vitamins which are known as B complex. They are added inside the energy drinks, which plays a very important role for your health. But why we are taking these vitamins from energy drinks? We can get these vitamins from our food, which we usually get from our diet. So our diet also bread, pastas and all other foods contains these types of vitamins in it. Sodium is present 180 milligram, which is a large amount of sodium which can raise your blood pressure. Taurine, which is a type of additive and amino acid which is present in large amount, which is 1000 milligram, which can stimulate your body. Panax ginseng, which is also good for your mental abilities, 200 milligrams. And there is an energy blend. There are certain chemicals which boost your energy, which is present in 2500 milligram. Energy blend includes certain amino acids and glucose like L-carnitine, glucose, caffeine, which is usually in the amount of 80 to 150 milligram depending upon the type of drink, and inositol, maltodextrin, glucuronolactone, ginkgo biloba. So these are certain chemical compounds which are also known as food additives, which are added in the energy drinks for physical and mental stimulants. So what are the health benefits of drinking energy drinks? So there are many health benefits of drinking these energy drinks. Number one, mental stimulation. It stimulates your brain, your nerve cells to function more properly. Physical stimulation, it boosts your energy so that you can perform physical activity more accurately. Boost energy, which is usually just the main function because they're known as energy drinks. So it increases or it boosts your energy by increasing the blood pressure, increasing the breakdown of glucose in your body. And this is usually done with help of caffeine and certain chemicals like taurine, ginseng and ginkgo. They also improve memory. They increase the alertness, especially for the students who are studying or a driver who is driving for many hours. They need concentration for that, so they take energy drinks. Elevate mood. They are also beneficial for sport activities, especially the athletes and players of different sports and games. They use energy drinks to maintain their physical ability, to boost their physical ability. So main stimulant in these energy drinks is caffeine. So usually all the scientists are agree that we can take caffeine 400 milligram per day, recommended dose, but more than that, taking in of caffeine can be very harmful for your body, and there are many health harms which are produced by extra intake or larger amount of caffeine in your body. Usually one cup of coffee contain 90 milligram of caffeine, one cup of tea contain 50 milligram of caffeine, but energy drinks contain more than double than these drinks. So energy drink usually contain 160 milligram of caffeine, which is a large amount of caffeine and which gives you lot of boost in your physical and mental activities by boosting your energy level and breaking down of the glucose in your body, so you can perform all the activities uh, more easily, more precisely and more accurately. But at the same time, energy drinks can also have health hazards. So I think that as my point of view is that the health hazards are more severe than the health benefits. So if you look at the health problems created by the energy drinks, number one, disrupt sleep pattern. So every person in the world has need sleep. So 8 hours to 12 hours of sleep is required for healthy person. So we must take 8 hours sleep, 6 to 8 hours for adults and 10 to 12 hours for teenagers and children. But taking too much caffeine can boost your physical and mental activities, so you are not going to sleep and your sleep cycle will be reduced and will be disrupted, and this going to cause so many problems in your body. It also disrupt your behavior. You become more anxious, more angry and more irritable. It also causes arrhythmias. Arrhythmias is the irregular heartbeat of our heart muscles, which can also lead towards heart problems, cardiovascular problems. It can lead to heart attack if the blood pressure has been risen so much high, and it can cause heart attack and which can lead to death of the person. Mental issues like anxiety and phobia can also be caused by extra intake of caffeine by energy drinks. Increased blood pressure may rupture your blood vessels in your brain or in the other parts of the body, which can also lead towards death. Too many sugars in the energy drinks, if you are taking such energy drinks which contain more glucose, then obesity, and then obesity will lead towards diabetes type 2, which can also is a very serious disorder. Dehydration, because when you take caffeine it stimulates your body and increase the metabolism, then there is more production of urine, which is known as diuresis. If there is more production of urine, certain minerals, ions and electrolytes and water especially are going to be removed from your body, which can lead toward dehydration and which can also has a lot of other consequences. Dental erosion can also be seen in different people who are taking energy drinks on the regular basis. And in certain countries, energy drinks are prohibited for children, especially under the age of 12. But most of the time, all children in some countries also taking energy drinks under the age of 12. This is very harmful for those, and especially the teenager who are going to school or colleges which consume too much energy drinks by advertisement of these companies which advertise on cable, on social media, that if you drink this energy drink you will become monster, you will become Spider-Man or a Superman. This is not going to happen, and this is everything is false. So energy drinks does has some good effects, like it boosts your energy, boosts your memory, gives you attention, gives you a mood elevation and some other benefits, but at the same time it also has so many side effects. So if you are taking energy drinks, then take only 1 or 2 drinks per day and do not exceed the recommended amount of caffeine per day, because you are taking coffee too, you are taking tea, and at the same time you are taking energy drinks, and all together when you combine the amount of the caffeine in your body, that is going to exceed the daily limit, which is 400 milligram, and exceeded amount of caffeine can lead to the addiction of caffeine. So if you are not taking a caffeine on the daily basis, then you are going to be in trouble. Your body requires caffeine for proper working. Even your mental activities, your brain requires caffeine for proper working. So take care of yourself, drink responsibly. You can take energy drink, but do not exceed the required amount. That's all for today. See you in the next lecture.